My dear students, today we are going to discuss a very important topic in organic chemistry, namely some selective specific reducing agents. For particular purpose only these reducing agents can be used. They can reduce some functional groups and they won't touch the remaining groups. That is the special character. First of all, I am considering the reducing agents, special reducing agents, specific reducing agents, selective reducing agents. The first one, lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride. Formula LiAlH4. A combination of lithium hydrides and aluminum hydrides. And of course, this can be obtained if you want to prepare it. Lithium hydride is treated with ethereal solution of aluminum chloride. Ethereal solution of aluminum chloride. Thereby, lithium aluminum hydride can be obtained. Lithium hydride is treated with ethereal solution of aluminum chloride. Thereby, you will get lithium aluminum hydride. It is soluble in here, and ethereal solution of this lithium aluminum hydride can be directly used. For what purpose this reducing agent can be used? Reducing agent means it supplies necessary hydrogen or hydrogen simply. Here, if we consider certain groups, the first one, it reduces aldehydes to primary alcohols. Aldehydes to primary alcohols. Aldehyde group is C double bond OH. This is aldehyde. You are using lithium aluminum hydride as the specific reducing agent. CO will be converted into CHOH. So you can write here for balancing purpose 2 hydrogens separate from lithium aluminum hydride, and thereby it is converted into CH2OH. This is primary alcohol. For example, you can take acetaldehyde, CH3, CHO, lithium aluminum hydride, 2 hydrogens you can write here. It is converted into CH3, CH2OH, ethanol. Ethanol is a primary alcohol because it is CH2OH, and this is acetaldehyde. Similarly, you can take benzaldehyde like this. This is benzaldehyde. Once again, reduced using lithium aluminum hydride as the specific reducing agent. It is converted into benzyl alcohol. In this way, aldehyde will be reduced to primary alcohols. Similarly, second one, it reduces ketones to secondary alcohols. Ketones to secondary alcohols. You can write ketone like this, C double bond O plus 2H once again, separate from this nascent hydrogen or hydrogen separate for the reduction purpose from lithium aluminum hydride. It is converted into CHOH. This is secondary alcohol. You can take for example CH3, CO, CH3 stone plus 2H in the presence of reducing agent. It will be converted into CH3, CHOH, CH3. This is secondary alcohol which is called isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Okay. So aldehydes are converted into primary alcohols. Ketones can be converted into secondary alcohols. That is the very purpose of lithium aluminum hydride. It won't touch C double bond C. It won't reduce alkenic double bond, olefinic double bond. It won't be reduced by this. This is the specific purpose. Please notice some more characteristic properties are also there for this reducing agent. Please note it. Next, third one. It also reduces carboxylic acids to primary alcohols. Lithium aluminum hydride is the only specific reducing agent which can reduce carboxylic acid group directly to primary alcohol CH2OH. So if you want to convert COH group directly into primary alcohol, you can write on the arrow mark lithium aluminum hydride. That is sufficient. So here reduces carboxylic acid group into CH2OH, that is primary alcohol. That is primary alcohol. That means we can take here C=OH. This is carboxylic acid. O will be replaced by 2 hydrogens. For oxygen, 2 more hydrogens required. This is lithium aluminum hydride, specific reducing agent you are using here. And it is converted into CH2OH plus H2O. For example, we can take here acetic acid. You can take here acetic acid plus 4H. Same reducing agent. COH will be converted into CH2OH. You will get here directly ethyl alcohol. This is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is a primary. Ethanol or ethyl alcohol, it is a primary alcohol. In this way, carboxylic acid can be directly converted to CH2OH. This is the only specific reducing agent which can convert COOH group into CH2OH. This is more useful in the conversions. And also, fourth one, the last one, it also reduces amide. That means CONH2 group into CH2NH2. That is primary amine, aliphatic primary amine. So you can once again write here CONH2, this is amide plus 4 hydrogens from lithium aluminum hydride. It will be converted into CH2NH2, primary amine plus H2O. You can take for example CH3CONH2, that is ethanamide plus 4 hydrogens, same reducing agent. You will get here CH3CH2NH2 plus H2O. This is ethylamine. Ethylamine, aliphatic primary amine. In this way, amides will be converted into amines. In these two cases, if you consider C double bond O, in these two cases is converted into CH2. That means carbonyl group is converted into CH2 in these two cases. CO of carboxylic acid, CO of amide group directly converted into CH2 group, and so the remaining part remains as it is. First is primary alcohol, second one is aliphatic primary amine. These are the two cases, more cases. In all these 4 cases, for special reduction, you can use lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, one more point is also there, please note it. Next, lithium aluminum hydride is selective in reducing aldehydes, ketone, carboxylic acid and amides. where C double bond was involved. But don't forget, it does not reduce olefinic bond, that is C double bond C. It does not reduce olefinic bond. That you have to specifically remember. Does not reduce olefinic bond. For example, you can take here a compound like crotonaldehyde. This is crotonaldehyde. CH3, CH1CH, CHO. If it is CH5, it is cinnamic aldehyde. This is reduced with lithium aluminum hydride plus 2 hydrogens I am writing here. These 2 hydrogens will be utilized here. CH will be converted to CH2OH. Aldehyde will be converted to primary alcohol. But it does not reduce C double bond C. It remains as it is. So what you will get here? CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH2OH. This is what you call crotyl alcohol. In this way, this is highly specific because we know, though there are 2 functional groups, one is ene, other one is aldehyde. Out of these 2 functional groups, it is selectively reducing aldehyde but not ene. And that is why it is selective specific reducing agent. Okay? Please take it. Next one we will discuss. Other selective reducing agent is sodium borohydride, NaBH4 formula. Sodium borohydride. This is also more specific and more selective reducing agent, even more selective than lithium aluminum hydride. And of course, it is soluble in water, so its aqueous solution can be used directly for the reduction purposes. Why is it still more selective than lithium aluminum hydride? Lithium aluminum hydride is able to reduce aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid and amide. That is not the case with sodium borohydride. It reduces aldehydes to primary alcohols and ketones to secondary alcohols only. Nothing more than this. Aldehyde will be reduced to primary alcohol using sodium borohydride. Ketone can be reduced to secondary alcohol, CHOH. This is primary alcohol. This is secondary alcohol. And here you can take examples. For example, you can take CH3, CHO. This is acetaldehyde. Using sodium borohydride, NaBH4 for reduction purpose. CHO will be converted into CH2OH. This is ethanol. Ethanol is a primary, right? Aldehyde is converted into alcohol primary. Similarly, you can take acetone or any ketone. One example I am giving you just. You can apply to all other ketones also. Plus 2H in the presence of sodium borohydride. This will be reduced to CH3, CHOH. CH3, this is secondary alcohol, which is called isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol or otherwise known as 2-propanol, IUPAC. In this way, aldehyde will be converted into primary alcohol, ketone will be converted into secondary alcohol, nothing more than this. It does not reduce any other group like CN, like NO2, like amide, etc. It also won't reduce COO1C. And so sodium borohydride is also more specific and more selective reducing agent than this lithium aluminum hydride. So if you want to directly convert aldehyde and ketones into primary, secondary alcohols, more selective, still more selective is sodium borohydride. Or even otherwise you can use lithium aluminum hydride. These are specific. When double bond and aldehyde is given, if you want to reduce only aldehyde but not double bond C, then you have to use these reducing agents, lithium aluminum hydride as well as sodium borohydride. Okay. These are the nature of the specific reducing agents which will be used for a specific purpose in organic chemistry. Okay. In the next class, we will study some more reagents which up and down used in the organic chemistry. Okay. Thank you very much for your kind hearing.